some of you have been asking how we can make adjustments to our insole boards where we adjust the actual shank so that it fits on a high or a mid last. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you take a look at this one here, if I put that on one of our mid-heel lasts, you can see that there's a bit of a gap here at the back. We just want to sort of close that up. So one way of doing it is taking it onto the corner of a table and just actually bending the shank like that. You can see already how much better that now fits that pitch. So if I were to take that now and put it onto our high heel last, you can see there's quite a significant gap in there. So if we want to bend it the other way, what I sometimes do is I use a table clamp like this. And if you just put it on the edge of the table and tighten that up, you can then actually bend the shank like this. And you may need to do it in a couple of areas, like that. This doesn't always work perfectly first go. Sometimes there's a bit of trial and error. You can see that that gap is definitely starting to close up now, but we could definitely do it a little bit more. So let's put it back in here. I'm just bending the board as well. You can see that that's starting to fit really nicely in there now. So we'd still need to do a bit of trimming around here to get it to fit perfectly, but that's just a quick example of how you can actually bend the shank to fit whatever style lasts you have.